Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using 3 of these 4x6 beaded frames in Burlap from Dollar Tree, as well as a stencil from Amazon. I removed all of the center parts from the frames, took white acrylic paint, and used a baby wipe to give them all a whitewashed appearance. I just went along the fronts and sides of the frames, just giving them all one coat. Next, I took the cardboard backings from each of the frames and traced them out on just a thin piece of cardboard I had laying around, and traced 3 of them out and cut those out. I then cut burlap that is just a little bit bigger than each of the pieces of cardboard. On the darker side of the cardboard piece I applied a generous layer of Mod Podge and pushed down the burlap, just spreading it out with my hands, and then used my heating tool to dry that and attach it completely. Now you can just use the backing itself and place the burlap right on top of there, but it does have some little pins from the stand on there, so I'd prefer just to use the flat cardboard. I then just used some tacky glue that I got from Dollar Tree to attach the cardboard to the backing of the frame. Once I placed that down, I just heated it from both sides to make sure that was nice and attached, and then trimmed up all of the excess cardboard and burlap. I also removed the stands from each of those. Once everything was dry, I did an outer layer of Mod Podge on the burlap. And again, I'm doing this for all 3 of the inserts for the frames. And I'm taking black chalk paint and this stencil from Amazon, and I'm stenciling on 1 word per insert for the frames. So I'm just doing Home Sweet Home. And at first I used a small sponge to try to apply the paint, but it wasn't working as well. So I used a stencil brush with very minimal paint and stenciled on each word, and then filled in the gaps left by the stencil. And the stenciling on the burlap works a lot better if you do the layer of Mod Podge on the top. It just helps from getting all of that paint absorbed into the burlap so it doesn't spread. I dried those completely and then added them back, 1 in each of the frames, just trying to make sure that they're all lined up in the right direction and the words Home Sweet Home are in that order. I then used quick hold glue and hot glue on the sides of the frames to attach the 3 together side by side. So the shorter sides of the frames are attached. And then for extra stability, I just used some jumbo craft sticks, cut them down to the lengths of the frames on the back, and use the same combinations of glue to put those on the seams where the frames are attached to each other. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.